It's delivery day.
Yeah. Slow mo. Let me look. Yeah, turn it up.
Hey beauties, welcome back to another beauty subscription box unboxing. This one is from LookFantastic, which is Europe's #1 online premium beauty retailer, and they carry over 22,000 products with complimentary worldwide shipping to over 200 countries. This is their beauty box edit for April. This box is so gorgeous. I love lilac. Anything in lilac I love. So the packaging is really gorgeous. And it says, "Hello spring, we missed you." This box also comes with like a mini magazine pamphlet, which is so cute. Like, I have not seen other subscription boxes have these little cute pamphlet. Spring has officially sprung, which means warmer days, lighter mornings, and flowers in bloom. This April, our spring beauty box is centered around brightening skincare, rejuvenating body care, and colorful cosmetics, all things to help you feel radiant and beautiful. As I flip through the pages, they have a breakdown of what's in the box, so you can see that all 6 of the products are here, and then they have a little section here, 10 minutes with Maria Stephanie, I don't know, we'll just call her Maria for now. And as you flip through some more, you can see like someone has tried and tested the beauty palette, the eyeshadow palette, and they have some other interesting information. It's really nice and refreshing. And then the May sneak peek. Now, if you watched my GlossyBox video, you will see that there is another Avant product in my GlossyBox as well. So having this one, I now have 2 really expensive products. Well, I will have 2 because I'm subscribed. So let's get into the products. Now, one of the reasons I actually found out about LookFantastic and that I actually ended up subscribing was because of this Bella Pierre Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette. Now, I have received, I think, 2 or 3 Bella Pierre products before from other subscription boxes, beauty subscription boxes, but I really loved the colors on this one. They looked so radiant, like they have this nice shimmer going on. It's not too glittery. It just really looked gorgeous, and so I said I would sign up just specifically for this product. Now I'm going to go ahead and swatch these on my skin because they look nice when they do the swatches on others, but particularly because of my complexion, some shadows will just really look white or brighty on me, so I look like I'm a ghost or something, and then others will be really like too dark because of my skin tone and my complexion. So let me just show you a little swatch of this palette. Now, the Bella Pierre Peach Blossom palette is worth £28.99. It comes with 3 shimmers and 1 matte shade inside, and it is exclusively launching with the LookFantastic Beauty Box, so you actually won't be able to find this anywhere other than in this box. And it is the perfect springtime addition to your makeup bag. It's weightless, super blendable, and the perfect size for traveling with a handy mirror inside. Now, as you can see, I'm putting these colors on my complexion, and if I'm honest, like 3 of these are just really, really too bright for my skin tone. Out of all 4 of them, I think I like the very first one that I tried, which is like this little rosy maroon looking color with like a little bit of gold, but the others are just like super, super bright. So I just have to see how this looks on my eyes. I'd have to do it properly and see if I like it. But overall, I love the colors still. I just think maybe 1, possibly 2 of them would be okay. That's how they look on my fingers. They really are gorgeous. I love the shimmers, but I don't know. I'll have to see how they look. Okay, up next is this Mind Tan or Minitan coffee scrub. This is a 30-gram packet, and it is worth £9.95. Really? A coffee scrub worth £10? Oh, okay. Must be really good. but I love coffee scrub, so I'll definitely give it a try. Okay, and next we have a vintage cosmetic company tweezers. This is worth £8. Come on, £8 for tweezers. But it does say that these are high quality stainless steel tweezers and they allow for precise and effortless brow maintenance. Now, I am not one of those that do anything with my eyebrows. I used to some millions of years ago, like cut them really thin with the razor. But I definitely don't use tweezers for anything. I'm allowing my eyebrows to naturally grow. And you know what? Bushy eyebrows are trending on Instagram. So, hello, I don't have a reason to pluck my eyebrows. But it's nice to have in case, one day, one of my eyebrows decide to do something really weird. And I say, oh, wait, I need to pluck you. Okay, so next up we have this Ameliorate Transforming Body Lotion. This is a 30 ml container and it is worth £4. It is specially formulated to treat Kérastase pilaris, which is the dry, bumpy skin often found on the back of your arms. And it's a rich moisturizer that has lactic acid to help you get rid of dead skin cells and reveal renewed, soft, healthy skin. It is also dermatologist approved. Up next, we have this teeny little thing from a brand called Erno Laszlo. Never heard of them. Good to find out. It is a hydrophil skin supplement. Also never heard of that. This is a 15 ml bottle and it is worth £5.58. It's a calming toner that is perfect for dry and sensitive skin and is formulated to hydrate and repair your complexion after cleansing. It has a blend of active humectants and it helps boost cell renewal to encourage soft and supple skin. Okay, and now we have the star of the box. Did you catch that? This is Star Skin 100% Camellia 2-step oil sheet mask, and this is worth £9. Get your glow back with this Star Skin facial sheet mask, a dual part treatment that effectively targets dry, dull skin to soothe and restore your natural radiance. Pure camellia seed oil nourishes and softens skin, whilst the niacinamide, mulberry bark extract, and peony root infused sheet mask replenishes moisture and brings a healthy, luminous complexion. Well, there you have it. My products that I received in my very first LookFantastic box, and I am extremely happy with this selection. I think everything I would eventually use, but firstly I would probably start off with the sheet mask as well as the coffee scrub, and I don't think I would use the tweezers at any point, but it's something nice to have. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.